Hello, 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 and thank you for joining. How y'all doing? This is Twana Yvette. Welcome to my channel. I sure hope y'all are having a wonderful, wonderful day. We are, of course, blessed to be here. I had to take a moment and just pop on, y'all, trying to get this hair trimmed up. It is growing. It's getting wild and crazy. But just take a moment and DMX is on my mind, on my heart. I had to definitely, share with y'all. It is just imperative that you really take to heart decluttering, decluttering, and decluttering. You got to get your home organized. You got to get your spirit organized. You got to declutter your life. Let me roll this up. It's really, really important. Y'all gotta hear me. Again, I always say, if it doesn't, apply to you, it's not something that you need at this moment, then that's fantastic. But do please share. Always share. And remember that. Pass it on. Pass it on. It can always be something that can benefit the culture. Keep that in mind. So, DMX, back to DMX. Can you hold this for a second? Just right there. Right there, thank you. At least while we got a minute. And I'm not driving, but I got an assistant. Right. So it's just on my heart, on my mind. Again, I had to take a second and just share with y'all that is that the AC?
It's hot in here.
My assistant is trying to blow me up, y'all. It is okay. It's a beautiful day. Don't get me wrong.
Well, we got the windows up,
but it's not
so
that
they can
okay.
Hear you.
So he's in a hospital, critical condition. All prayers to him and his family. DMX was definitely a staple in our culture. He did a lot for the movement, right? So ignore that. But I definitely enjoy his music, and he was definitely a staple to the culture. Let's just keep it real.
He's still here. We still gonna make sure he
what he did for us, right? So
don't kill him off.
My assistant, right? It's hard to find good help.
Right.
It's so hard to find good help.
Oh, you hot now?
I just said that. I just said that. I said you're trying to blow me. Everybody, when you're trying to have a minute and you got people interrupting, right? You want to say hello?
No,
would you like to say hi?
I'm good.
Say hi.
No, I'm good. Really?
She said hi.
Oh, wow.
She said hello. So anyhow, definitely, I just really wanted to take a minute and again, prayers to his family, his loved ones, friends, his fans, and that, y'all, listen, we got to declutter. You have to organize. You got to clean up. You got to clean up your home. And I'm not referring to the four walls that man made. I'm talking about within your spirit, okay? Y'all hearing me? Y'all feeling me? Within your spirit. You have to declutter. You got to organize. You got to get rid of the old and bring in the new. Every time you get rid of something that you need no more, you got to bring in what it is that is fulfilling you, okay? It's for you, about you. You got to bring in those things that's going to be working well for you, okay? To fulfill your spirit. And just taking that to heart. He had a few tragedies in his life throughout, and we all know, he definitely found his way into that drug life, and that's not new to anyone who knows the culture, who knows the background of the hip hop history. That's DMX, okay? However, here we are today, and this man overdosed. 2021. Come on now. And he couldn't walk away from that life. And just so many things that people don't take into consideration. They don't find themselves, you know, clearing that old baggage, you have to clean up. Seek help, okay? If you can't do it by yourself, you don't need to do it alone. You really don't. Just be sure that each and every one of you remember, take the time, prioritize, organize, and declutter, right? You have to. It's imperative. Declutter. Get rid of what is not serving you well. If it's not working well for you, why is it in your life? Take that with you. Embrace it. Put it in your spirit. Listen, if this message is not for you, if you got your house together, pass this on, share this. Be sure to share this with someone that does not, okay? Make sure they hear this. Sometimes you got to hear from somebody else. You know how that is. We all had that moment growing up where your mother said this and that and the third, your father, your aunt, your uncle, grandma, big mama, whatever you called her, nana, okay, for me. And it took that stranger sometimes. It took that friend that you just knew for a hot 5 minutes, that it just sunk in. Why? I don't know. But it was just how it was, right? And then all of a sudden, you got it. The light bulb goes off. You understand it now. Again, I'm not going to take up too much of your time. I got to get in here. I'm working on this haircut. My hair is growing. It's growing like wildfire. We got to get it in shape, y'all, right? So, DeClutter. DMX, I don't know how many of you know his story. A lot of tragedies and a lot of just horrible events, I'll put it like that. Anyway, this man did a lot for the culture. I loved his music, you know. He was definitely a ball of energy, to say the least. And again, prayers for him, his family, his fans, his children, right? Wow, his children. So, declutter, organize. And I'm not talking about getting your house in order as in the four walls made by man. I'm talking about your spirit. I'm talking about you are your home that you reside in, okay? I'm talking about the one that you wake up, eat, sleep, and live in. That one that no matter where you move to, is with you forever until the day you close your eyes and you done. I'm talking about that home. Get that one in order, okay? Follow me. Declutter. Get rid of it, okay? Organize it. Move things around. If that one ain't working well, get rid of it. Move it to the back burner, you know. Slide it over to the side. Whatever it is, what have you. You know what I'm talking about. Do it now. You can do it in pieces. You can do it in segments. You can do it in increments. Whatever works well for you. But do it. Don't delay. Organize. That's everything. That's from your files. That's from, you know, things that need to be shredded, removing, putting them in the dumpster, whatever. You call in whomever you need to call. Get movers. If you need help with that, get movers and get rid of it. Okay? I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to be shady. I'm being real with you. Get rid of it. Get help if you need. Talk to somebody. You don't need to do this alone. You're not alone. And there are millions of people that are going through, and then some, what you're going through. Declutter, organize, and get your house in order. You owe it to you. You're worth it. It's your right. It is your birthright. We are not meant to be here under continuous struggle, misery. And you want to live a life of abundance. You want to be happy. You should be prosperous. Why not? Anyone that has told you that is absolutely incorrect. Believe you me. Believe it when I tell you. You're worth it. Start now. Do it in steps. That's okay. That's okay. Totally okay. But do it. From my lens to yours, again, all prayers, DMX. Get your house in order, people. This is with love. Again, no shade. No shade. Just being real. Just keeping it 100. Don't delay. You owe it to you. And you're worth it. Y'all have a beautiful day. Stay true to you. Be blessed. And until next time, declutter, organize, get your house in order. Don't delay. You heard it from here. I'm Twana Yvette. Thank you for tuning in. Y'all have a beautiful moment. Share. Like, subscribe, tell a friend. If this is not for you, pass it on. You know somebody who can use this. You do. Sometimes you got to hear it from a complete stranger. Yeah. Okay? Prayers to DMX and his family. You all out there. Spend time with your loved ones. Tell them you love them. Don't forget to do that. Tell them you love them. Don't wait. Don't put it off. I'll see him at the holiday party. No. Tell them now. And enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. Enjoy each other. Twana Yvette. Till next time. Stay blessed.